Hey guys, how's it going? Well, had some time here. I wanted to record a video for you for DOT Polkadot. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Polkadot, as I believe that's how you pronounce it. All right. We are currently sitting at 97 for 97 wins on this channel. We've been trading since March of this year, and we've done very, very well. You guys know I've been keeping track of my own personal Coinbase account here. You guys can see, we just crossed over the $100,000 mark. It's going to fluctuate up and down, but just want to keep things transparent with where I'm at. And it's just been... guys, it has been absolutely a blast to be able to trade with you guys and see the testimonials come in of how well you guys are doing. Some of you guys who have been on a losing streak for so long start trading with us, and you have never lost a trade since you've been trading with us. And I think that gives a lot of people confidence in the market when they do trade. Yeah, some of our trades are in drawdown and we're just being patient, but I think you guys are understanding more that it is possible to trade crypto and possibly never lose a trade again. So let's go into DOT right now. We have been seeing DOT on just this ridiculous bull run right now. And what I want to bring your guys' attention to is these three indicators right here. This is really going to give us an idea of what the market's looking at and how we can predict price movement into the future. So looking at the trend dashboard, these are all the main indicators that all retail traders, that majority of retail traders use. A lot of exchanges actually sometimes come pre-programmed to visually display the RSI, stochastic, and MACD. They're just very commonly used indicators to help people predict price movements. Now, majority of these, 5 out of 6, are all bullish, so people are going long right now. However, if you guys come down here and look at the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion, what do you guys observe on the chart right now? You guys are seeing that we're in the absolute top section here. We have literally maxed this out. The well money flow hasn't been this high for a very, very long time, okay? If we look into the past of what happened last time we were getting up into these top sections right here and right here, we ended up seeing a very nice crash back down on DOT. I would consider this a little bit of a crash, all right? This is probably about 10 to 15% of a move down. The time after that, we pushed in the top red zone here. The well money flow was high. We did not head any higher, and we got another move back down in DOT. All right, coming back to the past before that, we see right when we got to the top of the red section of the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow was high. This is exactly where we saw the crash back down in DOT. Do you guys see where I'm getting at here? Even if we come back into the past back here, we pull these other areas where we see we got into the top red section, the well money flow started to get high right around this area, right around this accumulation phase. Did we head up? No. All we did was actually move down further right after that. And then you guys see over here, top red section, well money flow high. What happened? Did we move up from this consolidation period? No, we moved straight back down. All right, I can keep going over here and I can keep showing you guys how accurate this is. Of if all you guys are doing is you have two indicators on your charts, you get to have a fresh new chart, you get to clean things up, and you are able to call drops in the market before they happen. All right, that is how we're able to call these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looking for the 7th drop in a row. I could arguably say 7, 8, 9, 10 over here with divergence. So really the last 10 moves over here that we've seen with price action moving up here, if I'm going to say it, I want to point it out to you guys real quick, and I'll move on from what I'm going to say here. Trend exhaustion higher, as well as price versus well money flow high, and we saw this drop in the market here. This is divergence. We see the well money flow heading down, the trend exhaustion heading down, but we see price action moving up here, which is calling the drop back down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, looking for the 10th move down. So the accuracy on these indicators are just absolutely insane. So what are people doing right now? A lot of people are seeing that DOT is moving up, and we're hitting this resistance right here. I'll show you guys from a blockchain perspective of what I think is going to happen here, because it's actually a little more bullish than bearish, which is very interesting. This might actually hold up even if Bitcoin goes down. Let's take a look at that real quick. So you guys know I'm going to not spend a lot of time on this. These three indicators are available in the description with our bundle pack. They're 84% off for our Christmas sale. I will never have them lower than this price again. This is all you guys get is this month only, and I'm going to up them in price, okay? So I want to make everything clear about that. Let's take a look at this. DOT, the emotional index for DOT has already been updated this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it's currently 11:33 a.m., so we've had a few hours here. What we saw on that candle close today on that daily is we pushed into the neutral section. It's neutral because we are still within this zone here. We have not, crushed these highs here. We aren't flying up here to get everybody greedy. We've not pushed down really that would get everybody fearful. So we're still sitting in a neutral perspective here. Now coming down here, this is very interesting and something you guys need to be observing and watching on a daily basis if you guys are trading this very actively. Obviously, we're trading it over here as well. You guys need to watch this. What's happened the last few days is long trades have increased and short trades have completely headed out. This is even after today's metric update. So this is actually still a very bullish sign on DOT. Now, I'm going to move right here into projections of how high we can go, but I want to give us a little bit more data. Long versus short trade risk, we have pushed up into the top neutral section, looking that we're getting closer to a good short trade than a good long trade. All right, that is because we are overextended here and we're looking for the move down. That's why. Guys, calling the last 9 drops in DOT, looking for the 10th drop, you need to be ready to possibly exit here. So let me say this before I move on. If you guys got into our buy limits that were down here and you guys got triggered in, you guys are up. Let me give you guys a percentage right now so you can manage this. If you guys got in down here, I think you were very close to $24. You're sitting up roughly, we're going to roughly say about 14.59% right now, okay? 14%. What I would do if I was in your shoes, I'm not in this trade right now. I'm in some buy limits, so we're still managing the trade from over here, and we hit our 3rd buy limit. What I would do if you guys are in this trade right now, and it's at the top section, is I would do one of 2 things. If you guys think we're going to head back down, I would exit 100% right now and take all of your money and just win 14% right now. Once you do that, you're going to be out of the trade. Go to the website and set up your new buy limits, and I'll show you where that's at. That's one option. Second option, if you guys are in the profit, I would highly recommend you guys look to exit at least 50% of your trade right now. Since we are so high, this is looking like the 10th time in a row that this is going to call a move back down. Okay, you can exit 50% right now, and then if your entry was down here, you can move your stop loss up between your entry and your take profit right now, and somewhere in the middle. That way, you guys are not waiting for it to come all the way back down to the entry for you guys to take to close the trade. Might as well make that other 50% worth something and move that stop loss up right within the middle. So a market exit of 50%, and then take a stop loss, and I'm just going to call it a price here. You can move your stop loss to the structure right here of about 25.90. Okay, this is very, very simple stuff here, but I do think we are going to see a drop come in the market soon. Take a look at this. Not only is the blockchain, long for short trades bullish, but we are still actually really bullish on the well institutional smart money. So we see this over here. They've just been acquiring these long trades this whole time. Guys, this market's going to turn around. Like, everybody holding these positions, it's just a matter of time. Like, I know anybody can say this, but like, really, guys, it doesn't take much for Bitcoin to just shoot up here and we're back into the profit and we're taking all new trades for all of this. Like, and there's going to be thousands of dollars you guys are going to have in your accounts. Like, some of you are going to have hundreds of thousands based off the millions that you're trading with, that I'm working with you guys. Like, it is all about patience in here. They are acquiring long trades. So this has been proven true. We're seeing this move back up. Support and resistance prices. Let's go over some targets now. If we keep heading up, I'm really looking at this level right here of $30. Okay, that's the first level of resistance. And then support, we're definitely looking at 23. So 23 puts us down here, obviously. That's the greatest support if we head back down. I want you guys to look to take some profit here before we head back down, because that would have been, all these profits have been wasted. It's like literally someone's putting $300, $400, $500, doesn't matter, whatever amount you guys are up right now. Let's say someone put $500 down in front of you on the table that you're watching this video on right now, or if you're sitting on the couch, someone just dropped in your lap $500. Are you going to take your $500? If your answer is no, then you're greedy. Okay, I just need to call that out for you guys. Why can I say that with confidence? Because if you guys have indicators like these, and please get them on your charts, if we are able to prove the last 9 times they went down, what's the evidence to prove to you that it's just going to keep going up? With historical data says it's going to be moving down. If you think it's going to keep going up and that's how you guys want to trade because you just think it's going to keep going up, you are going against historical data and you will lose in trading. I promise you, you will lose. If something this accurate, you need to follow accuracy of historical data based off emotional, instead of basing it off of emotional stimulus. Because you're like, oh, it's going up. It's just going to keep going up. No, guys, take some profit. I think most of you guys know that. I'm trying to teach that to you guys. Guys, we don't lose trades on this channel. Like, I don't want that to sound arrogant, but I'm not okay with getting into the profit and just letting it just sit there on the table and then drop back down. No, we're going to make profit and we're going to build our accounts. Stick around long enough, you guys will see this account. If we get back to our buy limits, this account's going to be doing very, very well. We'll just say that. Okay, let's come down here and I'll get you guys into the next trade setups here in just about 30 seconds. This is what's called dollar cost average entries. If you guys are taking any of these, you're doing fantastic. You're getting in at low prices and you're just holding for 5 to 10 years, 15 years. Doesn't matter. You guys choose the duration. It's just a really good place to enter into the market. Now, have we seen an exit? Yeah, we did way back here. We haven't seen everything since then because we haven't headed up. We've just been continually going back down. So as this market starts moving back up, I will be watching for red bars to come out here, and that will be a great place for us to look for some exits. We'll probably get an exit before we get back to our entry here, but I still, guys, I honestly believe, absolutely am not even shaken by this, that we are going to come back up here, break our break-even entry here, and be back up here. We could possibly be here by the first quarter of next year. It's going to be patience that's really going to pay off. If you guys have extra money you want to put into the market, that's awesome. Like, buy into our next trades. Like, literally, you guys, I think most of you guys probably get paid every Friday, right? Or every other Friday. If you have a little extra change, I'm talking like even $10, you can get in here and start using our buy limits. So let me show you guys how to use the buy limits and set up our new trades. Because literally, I have people who've emailed today. They're like, oh, hey, I exited this trade and I have some extra money in here. And I told you guys that I actually just picked up a decent amount of mana, actually, because I think that's going to be a good trade. So if you want to join me on the mana trade, like, do that. Use the buy limits. Here's how you join me so you guys can take all the wins with me over here on the channel. The membership, guys, is only... Actually, sorry. I was going to show you the membership. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. By the way, you want to take a look at this guy? 20 Delta. Won the previous Matic trade, entered back in on the dip, and just won again. I actually got in a lower because I waited longer. Made 12% profit. These indicators are flexing. I'm going to make that up. That's not what he said. Those are my own words, but I think he's meaning the indicators are flexing. The indicators are amazing, guys. This guy did 8,000 profit since he started a month ago. $8,000 profit. It's just pretty ridiculous. I'll probably put that in like the title or something just to show you guys what's happening. Come over here and take a look. Like, literally, if you guys see, actually, you're not going to see it, but if you look right over here, if you guys see the bar moving down, we have so many testimonials of people literally trading for a living and people just doing incredible amounts of money in their exchange. And they're not losing trades either. Like, yes, again, some trades are in drawdown. That's okay. Like, if you can't handle drawdown, you shouldn't be trading, you know? And I'm personally in here with you guys, but it's just been incredible. All right. Sorry, I'm just having more fun on this video than this morning. It's more relaxed in the mid-afternoon. Here's the deal, guys. Our membership is only $49 a month. It's the cheapest one online, and I think we do have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto trading. This is going to be going up in price, so I would snag this today. In the first quarter of next year, so before April 1st, I'm looking to up this price, and this will give you guys access literally to all the metrics. The Telegram channel, super important. I'll go over that in a second, as well as the live trades. So you'll get access to all the metrics that we just went over for Bitcoin for all these 11 coins, but here's where you guys want to hang out, because this is where we're taking all of our trades, and this is how we've won every single one of these. Let's go up here to the 97. There it is right there. So all 97 of these trades have all been taken on this one single web page. It's right here. So today we're obviously going over DOT. So this is Polkadot. You guys are going to click into Polkadot. See, I'm not saying it right. Polkadot. Okay, there we go. You guys are going to click in here, and then you guys are going to see buy limits. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example. All the charts look the same. I just want to keep it private for our paid subscribers, okay? This morning on DOT, you're going to see 4 lines. There are going to be 4 buy limits. Like I said, if you guys got paid last Friday, if you've got more money you want to put in the market, choose any of our coins this morning. You can literally get into these trades here with the cash you have. Let's say, for example, you have $1,000. All you're going to do is split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. And that's $250, 25%, $250. Okay, if it's $4,000, it'd be $1,000. Put 25% at each buy limit and just wait for the first buy limit to get hit. Once your first buy limit is hit, don't move any of the other buy limits in here. Keep them where they're at, and then just set a sell limit up here at the green line. That's it, guys. Like, it cannot get any simpler. Once you set all these up, you literally have a bot that's trading for you. And the only other thing you guys can do is just kick back, relax, and join me in the Telegram channel, and I'm going to give you guys updates of when I'm exiting trades, and you guys can take profits with me. Like, guys, this is so simple. If you guys want someone to pretty much almost do all of the hard work for you and just you guys take the entries, I'll do that for you. That's what we literally have people doing. We literally just got another message this morning about someone making money, hundreds of dollars this morning, and they were thanking us. I'll probably try to put on the website. But once you guys have your buy limit set up, sign into Telegram on your personal phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here, and then that will give you guys direct access over into the Telegram channel where, you know, all these members, everyone new that signs up, they just join over here. I think we've gone up like, I don't know, 7 or 8 new followers just from this morning. So those people are in here. They're going to be updated for the next time I take a trade win. They all got updated. Like, I'm not telling you guys this on YouTube. Like, there's some stuff in here that I just don't have time to tell you on YouTube, and I will make sure all the crucial things that you guys need to know, like me entering into personal trades myself, I will tell you guys all that in the channel. Like, literally, this is like having me as a one-on-one coach where I'm only giving updates of crucial things that are happening. Okay. Last but not least is the indicators. So you guys can click over here. Here's the deal on the indicators. I would not pass this up. Seriously, I would not pass this up, guys. The only reason why I say this is because I know for a fact I will not be having this lower than this ever again. Like in the years to come, we will not have it lower. If anything, I'm going to up the price of the bundle pack once this sale is over going into 2022. This may be the last time you guys can get it this lower. I'm not just trying to do this for sales content or anything like that. The bundle pack is undervalued. Guys, for us not losing trades and to be able to call the last 9 drops in DOT, should be worth thousands of dollars, really. What you guys are able to get is all of our indicators, and they are 84% off right now. You guys want to get to copy my charts, the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are 3 that you guys want. You're going to get between 58 to 60% off if you buy them individually. You're going to get an additional 24% off. So you're going to overpay about 24% on these indicators if you want to buy them individually. If you want to do that, click here and use coupon code SAVEMONEY. That will give you guys a discount. But the bundle pack is actually going to give you guys all 3 of these and then 6 indicators on top of these 3 for a total of 9. And all you guys have to do is click this link here and enter coupon code Christmas at checkout, because Christmas is awesome. At the end of this month, this bundle pack from the discounted price with the Christmas coupon code is going to go back up $50. Okay, so not only are you guys getting everything on sale, but you're getting it on sale before it actually goes up in price again. So this is the best deal possible. Make sure you guys get the indicators set up so you guys can literally call these drops with accuracy like I am. And guys, these indicators are how we're exiting the market and we're taking advantage. If you've followed me in here and you've seen some exits, and I get these emails, they're like, Travis, how in the world are you guys able to call tops and they literally just drop right after that? Like, I'm showing you guys 9 for 9, possibly. Like, let this be a testament. Like, this is awesome because, a lot of people say, oh, it's going to drop, but then they don't actually get proof. I'm showing you guys right now. Let this be a testimony of how good the indicators are. Like, put them to the test. Watch this. They called the last 9 drops. Are we going to drop in here? I do believe so. If this keeps heading up right here and the well money flow starts moving down like this, do you guys know what that is? Sorry, that was a terrible line. That's divergence. If this starts moving down and the price for swell money flow starts moving down and price moves up here, you guys need to be watching for an even bigger drop, because this is showing money's moving out of the market and the price is going up and it's overextending itself looking for a drop. Want me to prove it? Like, you guys can, in this video right now, get the indicators, get the membership, set up everything. That's fine. You guys can do that. If you want to stick around, let me show you how to call these massive drops. Feel free to just hang out with me here. Look at this. If you guys see a high and you see another high here on price action, what is it telling you that price action is doing? It's in an uptrend. Well, come down here. What's happening here? A high and a lower high. And we see the trend exhaustion, a high and a lower high. What is happening with these indicators? Guys, these indicators are more accurate than price. That may seem impossible, but it's not. This is what's called a leading indicator. Both of these are. When you guys start seeing these move down in price action, down, it's probably a weird way of putting it. When you see the metric values moving down and you see price action moving up, this is where you actually start moving into bear market cycles, because it traps a bunch of retail traders on the top here. And I wouldn't even doubt actually some institutions that don't even know how to trade this, it's going to trap them. So if you guys see, let's bring this back to current date. If you guys see this go up even further and you see the price for swell money flow make a lower high like this and the trend exhaustion do something like this, again, that means we're going to see a leading sign here that the price is going to go down while the price is trying to go up. It means that this is leading us, showing us money's flowing out of the market while price is moving up. This is what's called a bull trap, and we're going to be looking for the move back down. Watch it, guys. Get them set up on your charts. This is how people are making literally $20,000, $30,000 with these. Look at this. I'll show this to you guys. We're just doing this for fun now. If you want to stick around, everything's in the description if you guys want it. So this guy down here, you guys know this. This guy did $20,000 just with 2 indicators: the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow. $20,000 in crypto and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow. Also, I've been able to time the market, which has saved me thousands as well. Awesome. That's cool. This guy down here does $2,300 in a single day with 2 indicators. Do you want to know which ones those are? Trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow. That's why I want to show this to you guys and just keep you guys encouraged. This stuff actually really does work. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm trading with you guys, and we have never lost a trade. So make sure you guys are setting up the indicators today. Make sure you're getting into the Telegram channel by first getting the membership over here and then signing up here. Get your buy limit set up like I just showed you for any coin, and then just simply follow us over in the Telegram channel, and I'll give you guys trade calls of when I'm exiting trades. That's all you guys are doing. This is so simple and so much fun. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Watch for the drop on DOT, and I'll keep you guys updated. Everything you need is in the description. Snag the Christmas sale, because I am not going to have those indicators lower than that price ever again. God bless you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.